Hello everyone. Welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are playing a fun Christmas quiz. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, let's start. What types of trees are generally used to make Christmas trees? Banyan tree, bamboo tree, pine tree or coconut tree?
And the answer is pine tree.
Wow!
Very good. Now the next one. What date is Christmas celebrated every year? And the options: December 25th, October 25th, November 25th, September 25th.
The answer is December 25th.
Wow!
Very good. Amazing. Now the next question. What is usually put on the top of the Christmas tree? Star, sock, wreaths or bell?
Star.
Wow!
Amazing. Now next question. What color is synonymous with Christmas celebrations? Red and white, red and green, blue and green, yellow and blue.
Red and white.
Wow!
Perfect. What color is synonymous with Christmas celebrations? Blue, red, black and pink.
Red.
Amazing. Now the next one. What decoration is placed in front of the door of the house? Candle, gift, sock or wreaths?
Wreaths.
Wow!
Very good. Amazing. So, let's go to the next question. What do kids leave for Santa to eat? Popcorn, candy, cookies, pizza.
Cookies.
Wow!
Yes, Santa loves cookies. Now the next question. Which animal pulls Santa's sleigh? Horses, reindeers, lions, elephants.
It's reindeer.
Wow!
Yes, perfect answer. What do children hang for Santa on Christmas Eve? hats, stockings, scarves, gloves.
Stockings.
Wow!
Yes, stockings for Santa. Great job, little learners. You have given all the answers correct.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks for learning with us, friends.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye friends.
Bye bye.